Hi, I'm Colette Cooper with Royal LePage State Realty. Super excited to show you my new listing located in the Fairways at Chedoke, a wonderful complex in the South Kirkendall location. This is an end unit, a rare offering, plus it has a double car garage. You're going to see lots of beautiful natural light streaming through this townhome. If you're looking for comfort, convenience, and location, a lock up and go lifestyle, this is the place for you. Come and have a look. Enter this great home into the welcoming two-story foyer, and then gleaming hardwood floors all through the living and dining rooms, anchored by a lovely gas fireplace. Then you've got the sliding doors from the living room and dining room that open to a private deck and yard, perfect for relaxing or hosting guests. The stunning kitchen is perfect for entertaining. Recent quartz countertops, lovely peninsula, tile backsplash, stainless steel built-in appliances, including a newer induction stove. The upper level has 3 bedrooms, including a very spacious primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a lovely 5-piece ensuite bathroom with a separate shower and soaker tub. The other 2 bedrooms share a really nice 4-piece bathroom. The finished basement provides extra living space with a large rec room, a den or gym, a nice 3-piece bathroom, and lots of storage space. Enjoy this low-maintenance lifestyle with visitor parking, a lovely central park with a playground and walking path. If you love to golf, Chedoke Golf Course is at your doorstep. Nature enthusiasts will love being able to get to the Bruce Trail and conservation trails, and yet you can stroll to McMaster University, Innovation Park, Locke Street Village, Westdale Village, and quick access to the 403 and bus, go, and transit routes to get you to all the amenities you could possibly want.